Hello everyone, my name is Mokhtar and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just starting out on your journey to learn English, so you are in the right place. Today we will take you through some effective steps to kickstart your English learning adventure. First, you need to set your clear goals. First thing first, set clear and achievable goals. Why you want to learn English? Do you want to speak fluently? Knowing your goal will help you to stay focused and motivated. So first you have to clear your goals. That will really help you to improve your English. The second step is build a foundation with basic vocabulary and grammar. Start by building a strong foundation and begin with basic vocabulary and simple grammar rules. That will really help you to understand English. That will really help you to improve your vocabulary. And you can also use flashcard, language apps and beginner textbook to get started, because without start you can't improve yourself. So you have to start today itself. It will really help you. And the third step is practice listening and speaking. Immerse yourself completely in the English language. Listen to the English podcast, watch English content, movies, videos and TEDx talks, so you can improve yourself. Because if you will involve yourself in English environment, so definitely you are going to improve yourself. And try to mimic the pronunciation, because most of the time we are unable to pronounce, because we don't know English how to pronounce such word, and we try to speak as much as possible, but we are struggling because most of the time we are unable to pronounce in a right way. So just start pronounce as much as you can and practice with the native speaker, because practice only will help you to improve your English. So you have to practice as much as you can do. That will really take you in different way. Fourth one is engage in reading and writing. Engage in reading and writing to enhance your skills. Start with children's books or articles which designed for the beginners, because most of the we start with the fictional books, so that's really hard to understand. So you have to start with the basic books and keep a journal to practice writing in English. And fifth one is join a learning community. Join a learning community, it doesn't mean that you have to go somewhere and find a community and join with them. No, you have to find those people who really want to improve themselves, who really want to learn on their communication skills, who really want to improve their English. Join a learning community and class, being a part of group. So you have to find those people who are really helpful for you. And sixth and last, keep consistency and patience. Consistency is a key of success to achieve your goal. Dedicate regular time to practice and be patient with yourself, because language learning is a gradual process and every bit of practice will help you to improve. So you have to keep practicing as much as you can, then only you can improve yourself. And remember, learning English is a journey, not a destination. So keep practicing, keep motivating, keep focused and celebrate your progress along the way. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips on language learning. Bye bye.